God. Whew. Hey guys, welcome to this week's episode of Trophy Hunters. Check out Boom Boom Day. What is up, guys? It is Boom Boom Day, so let's get it. We are going shotgun hunting first season. It is December 7th right now, and we are locked and loaded on a Saturday, and let's get to it. There we go. Got a buck going to my spot right now. Already had a buck up there running. Squirrel. There's one. Buck. Alright, a bunch of deer just ran that way. It's go time, baby. Two of them kicked. Down that edge, and then they're kicking it. They know what they're doing. Hopefully we get one close. I want to go down there, but I have this lane that they like to go down. There's one. Wow. Damn, I better stop shooting. Okay, no more shooting until they're close. Oh, the deer are funneling right through there. If we get someone on that peak, it's game over. But we don't have that right now. So if we do a second put, I want to walk down there, but this lane would be very vulnerable. Yeah. Frick if I know. They hit every right gap. Yeah, I don't. The first two I shot at kicked right away, but they hit the soft spot. Oh, I don't know. I've had like 20 plus over here. Yeah, no. Yeah, well, I kicked some towards you guys, and then they start walking that field line, you know, those trees that sit there that are down in that gully. Yeah, they go right through there. I had no shots. They kept running right through there. Well, I unloaded my gun several times, but I don't think I hit any of it. I kept running in and out of there. No. Well, I came up on the hill because I heard stomping up here, and a doe was creeping out through, and I aimed at her neck because that's all I could see, and I shot right over her. She was pretty close. And then a buck came off behind her, and I shot at him, but I think I hit the ground because I'm on a hill slope. Okay. They all ran towards the caves, and they hit that cornfield and then cut down towards where I parked the truck. So like a second push, they'll be down there. That second push we usually do. Okay, I gotta find my battery for my tactic cam. Well, every time I shoot it pops out. Oh, I got a turkey I could shoot right now in front of me. Yeah, there's turkeys everywhere. Okay. Alright, bye. I don't even want to shoot anymore today. Autobots, roll out, baby. Hey, try to yell if you see one. It's thick, so yell if you see one. Communication's key. And so we don't get shot at. You can maybe bounce out. Maybe. I don't know if it's... There goes a bullet whizzing by. We haven't even got to the main push yet and they're shooting. Okay, Caleb, I'm kicking right. Come to the gate. Yeah, must have pushed quite a few. Heard Derek's gun go off. I think it was his. A couple of them. You didn't hear him? Oh.
Maybe it was Derek.
I thought the one loud one was Derek, but who knows?
Could have been.
Huh. Do I open it or climb it? Do I open it or climb it? Got it. Got it.
Nice.
Now we're by the we're by the road, right? No, they said they're
What do
gonna.
you mean on this side, right? Yeah.
They're gonna be over here. They said, I think. Where's Jordan at? Right there. Pretty sure they wanted this side to get away from Marlin. Do you want by the road or you want? I don't care. Like they said, you're probably safer by the road because he shoots into the woods, not to the left and right. But
An easier shot for me than that is good.
I don't even know if we'll see it. It sounds like whatever the hell was in here just got kicked out.
Yeah, already.
Maybe we should stand here until they cross, just in case they kick back.
Here, he's looking.
What? Yeah, I was just making sure nothing kicked back. There's gonna be something that comes back, I bet you.
Nice buck came in there between Ian and I. I didn't know where he was, so I didn't shoot.
Yeah, I figured that was a big gap.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I was
because
trying to.
we were all three like pretty
I was
close.
trying to close it in a little bit, so I wasn't right on the edge, because I just didn't want him popping out that way. But
Yeah, I kept looking. I was looking out to the right towards you guys.
Yeah.
I didn't even see that one.
yeah, right about probably 40 yards from the end here, just popped up, ran right in between us.
I heard you. I mean, hopefully somebody got one out there.
Yeah,
A lot of
there's-
shots.
not me this time. So how do you want to do
Ian
this?
probably go in.
Do you guys want to go up here or
It don't matter. I can go up there by Marlin.
you sure?
Yeah,
I can too.
Well, you
A couple weeks off of work sound good to me.
Couple weeks or lifetime, whatever.
Yeah,
take the road, and then Ian can, or I'll go up by the road.
So you want us two back here?
Yeah, if you want.
I'll go there.
Okay. This is probably less thick.
Sure.
This is less thick and that's thick as shit. I'll probably take that shit.
It all looks thick.
Yeah, it is, but this is like,
I see some gaps.
yeah, over here last year I was running through weeds like crazy. Or not last year, 3 years ago, I guess. Yeah, this is gonna be bad. This shit, when Marlin's shooting, you gotta be prepared to go down. Get down. Hold up. Stay down. Might be. I'll tell you when to go. I said I'll tell you when to go. I think we're good. Maybe. All right. Just head down. Something in here? Is something in here? Is something in here? Yeah, we made it alive. Woo! I better not say that if someone freaking shoot me. You ever see those movies? I think we gotta walk all the way down.
Like the mountain thing, just in case.
I'm gonna go right about here. I'm gonna walk in there. You want me to wait for you to get the sock off, or?
Well, you can go for it, but I'm gonna get this out just in case it takes off the other way or something.
Okay. Okay, well, we have a wounded deer over here, so I don't remember where it went. Whoa! Well, yesterday ended up with 7 deer. And I think we got 7 takes left to fill. But more new people joined, so we'll see how many takes. I have no idea. So, day 2 on your way. Here we go. The day for Sunday. First push got absolutely nothing. Got some shooting going on. Staying low, stay low. I don't know how this Little Woods does it, but they always get something out of here. Running out, not getting. If you're in here, get up. Hey, are those, oh, hey, people, okay, gal. Shoot. I think it just ran into the fence. He didn't even shoot. I was gonna say I was waiting for you to shoot, and then he kicked out, jumped.
I clicked.
Hope you enjoyed Boom Boom Day, and that's it for this week's episode. Thanks for watching. Peace.